Good morning, students. Today we have to see how to solve simultaneous equations graphically. Now, first example, solve the following simultaneous equations graphically. First, x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 4. Now, to solve this equation by using graphical method, therefore for this first we have to find the coordinates of the point on this line. म्हणजे या लाइन वरच्या पॉइंटचे आपल्याला कोऑर्डिनेट काढावे लागतील. Now first write down first line, that is x plus y is equal to 6, x y coordinates of x y. Coordinates घेताना लक्षात ठेवा, if we take two points for drawing the line, it is sufficient there are only two points. म्हणजे लाइन काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला दोन पॉइंट सफिशियंट होतात. पण जर आपला दोन पैकी एक पॉइंट चुकला तर कोणती ओरिजिनल लाइन आपल्याला निश्चित सांगता येणार नाही. इफ वी टेक 3 पॉइंट्स, 3 पॉइंट जर घेतले तर this is line, this is also line, or we can draw this line. म्हणजे कोणती निश्चित सांगता येणार नाही. Therefore take any 4 points. 4 पॉइंट जर घेतले तर कमीत कमी 3 एका लाइन वर असतील. ती लाइन म्हणजे ओरिजिनल लाइन. मग त्यासाठी आपण 4 पॉइंट्स घ्यायचे. नाउ फर्स्ट टेक आणि मॅक्सिमम पॉइंट किती घ्यायचे? 7 पर्यंत. 7, 8. कारण आपल्याला ग्राफ काढणं सोपं गेलं पाहिजे. नाउ फर्स्ट टेक, इफ व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x इज 2, व्हॅल्यू कशा काढायच्या? x इज 2, बोथ साइड इक्वल आले पाहिजेत. म्हणजे y ची व्हॅल्यू काय पाहिजे? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Therefore y is 4. Coordinates are 2, 4. Take another value 0. If x is 0, equal येण्यासाठी काय पाहिजे? y is 6. Coordinates are 0, 6. Take -1. Value of x is -1. मग इक्वल येण्यासाठी काय पाहिजे? +7. -1 plus 7 is 6, plus 7. Coordinates are -1, 7. Take another value. Suppose value of x is 3. 3 plus 3, that is 6. Therefore, coordinates on this first line, coordinates of point on this first line are this. Now second line is x minus y is equal to 4. X, y, coordinates x, y. Now take value of x is, suppose value of x is 3. 3 minus value of 3 minus of -1, that is 3 plus 1, 4. Therefore coordinates of 3 minus 1. Coordinates are 3 minus 1. If we take value of x is 0, x ची value 0 ठेवली, minus y is equal to 4, therefore y is equal to -4. 0 minus 4. If we take value of x is 4, 4 get cancelled, therefore y 0, that is 4, 0. If we take value of x is 2, -2, -2 minus of minus, व्हॅल्यू कशी काढता येईल? -2 आपल्याला +4 पाहिजे, म्हणजे इथं किती यायला पाहिजे? तर minus, or we can write this as -y becomes y, plus y is equal to x minus 4 असं लिहू शकतो. x is -2, -2 minus 4 is -6. -2 minus 6. Minus of minus plus 6. -2 plus 6 is 4. Now we have to plot the graph of this point. For this, draw x axis, x dash, y dash. Here maximum point is 7. Therefore here scale on both axes 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now first 2, 4. X-axis and y-axis divide this plane in 4 parts. Each part is known as first, second, third and fourth quadrant. In first quadrant both are positive. In second, x negative, y positive. In third, both are negative. And in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. त्यावर आपण हे पॉइंट कुठे ठरवायचं. 2, 4 both are positive, therefore this is in first quadrant. X is 2, y is 4. स्केल असे ठेवा 2, 4 पर्यंत. Point is here 2, 4. 2, 4. Second, 0, 6. If x coordinate is 0, then this point is on y-axis. The y-axis 6 working. 0, 6. Minus 1, 7. This point is in second quadrant. Minus 1, 7. Minus 1 च्या वरती 7 पर्यंत. Point is here. Minus 1, 7. And 3, 3. This is in first quadrant. 3, 3. 3, 3. Point is here. 3, 3. Draw a line passing through these 4 points. Draw a line passing through these 4 points. Now write down equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Now second, 3 minus 1. X is positive, y is negative, therefore this is in fourth quadrant. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Second, 0 minus 4. X coordinate is 0, therefore this is on y-axis. 0 minus 4. Point is here. 0 minus 4. 4, 0. Y is 0, therefore this is on x-axis. This is 4, 0. Minus 2, minus 6. Both are negative, therefore this is in third quadrant. Minus 2, minus 6. Point is here. Minus 2, minus 6. Draw a line passing through these 4 points. Uh, 2, 4. X plus y is equal to 6. X minus y is equal to 4. Fine. 5, 1. 5, 1. Therefore, coordinates of these intersecting points are 5, 1. Therefore, the coordinates of the point of intersection are 5, 1. Now we see whether this is correct or not. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Now second example. Second example, 3x minus y is equal to 2. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Number 2, 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now question number 2. 3x minus y is equal to 2. 2x minus y is equal to 3. We have to solve this equation by graphical method. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, we can write this as minus becomes plus y is equal to 3x minus 2. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. Now, if we take value of x is 2, x value 2 ठेवली, 3 into 2 6, 6 minus 2 4. Therefore, 2 4. Take value of x is 0, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. 0 minus 2. Take value of x is 3, 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 2, that is 7, 3 7. Take value of x is minus 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, that is minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5. Now for second, 2x minus y is equal to 3. Therefore, minus becomes plus y is equal to 2x plus 3 becomes minus 3. Now take value of x is, suppose value of x is 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 1 minus 1. Take value of x is 0. 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. 0 minus 3. Take value of x is 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 3. X is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore, 3, 3. Now, take value of x is minus 2. Minus 2 into 2. Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 3. Minus 7. Minus 2 minus 7. Minus 2 minus 7. Now, we have to plot these points on the graph paper. Now first 2 4, this is in first quadrant. Now 2 4 point is here. 2 4. Second, 0 minus 2, x coordinate is 0, therefore this is on y axis minus 2. 0 minus 2. 3 7, both are positive, therefore this is in first quadrant. 3 7. Point is here. 3 7. Minus 1 minus 5, both are negative, therefore this is in third quadrant. Minus 1 minus 5. Point is here. Minus 1 minus 5. Draw a line passing through these points. Now equation of this line is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Now for second, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, therefore this is in fourth quadrant. 1 minus 1, point is here. 1 minus 1. 0 minus 3. X coordinate is 0, therefore this is on y axis. 0 minus 3. Point is here. 0 minus 3. 3, 3. Both are positive, therefore 3, 3. This is in first quadrant. 3, 3. Point is here. 3, 3. Minus 2, minus 7. Both are negative, therefore this is in fourth quadrant. Sorry, third quadrant. Minus 2, minus 7. Therefore point is here. Minus 2, minus 7. Draw a line passing through these 4 points. Equation of this line is 2x minus y is equal to 3. Now intersecting point is minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5. This is the intersecting points. The coordinates of the point of intersection are minus 1 x coordinate, y coordinate minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 5 is the solution of given simultaneous equations. Correct है क्या वहाँ? Minus 1, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, minus of minus plus 5, 3 plus minus 3 plus 5 is 2. Our answer is correct. Okay, thank you.